How to create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. So here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to do so. So simply start with looking for the Zoom app and simply tap on it. You can also do it with the zoom.com website, but here we are going to the app. Let's simply tap on the launchpad and tap on the app in the MacBook. So there you can see zoom.os option available. Tap on it and make sure that you are signed into your Zoom account. Once you are signed in, you will get to see the schedule join option available on your desktop. Now all you have to do is tap on the schedule to schedule a meeting. Now you can simply tap on the save option available after you fill out the necessary informations, times, and every participants. And once you tap on the done or save at the bottom right, so here is the link Zoom has provided you. You can simply tap on the copy invitation option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you tap on the copy invitation, all you have to do is go to the WhatsApp app on your device. So let me just log into my WhatsApp web and go to the conversation you want to send this to and simply paste it there. And that is it. Once you paste it, they will be able to see your Zoom invitation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.